guys, how are you? Today is
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Okay, you wanna say hi? Today we're going to clean our car. Cleaning time.
Oh, here's a scrape right there.
Cleaning time.
Where's that button?
It's been a year, I think, over a year we didn't clean our car. So today we will gonna clean this van. Okay,
Where'd you go?
it's not fun job. Vacuum time, I mean.
Show them my milk.
Oh, okay. There it is. Pastilan. Okay. I'm gonna open all the doors because it's cleaning time. It's filthy. Look, there's a lot of dirt down there. And that one that needs deep cleaning too. You can tell we don't clean this car for years. I just wipe it, dust it, but I didn't really clean it good. Hey, back to work. Saba na ba ka ini? Sige ay. Not only the work here is unending. Look at that, it's dirty. We already done vacuuming the car and now we are wiping. Okay. It's nice to have a clean car sometimes. Not always though, but it's nice to always have a clean car, but it will not happen. Especially when you have a small kid. You clean it afterwards. Oh. It's impossible to maintain cleanliness when you have a toddler or small kid. But at least clean it a little bit. Remove those old dirt and replace the new one, as what I always said. Okay, almost done in here. Duty first before leisure. Kagahi ba po bagang eh? Much better now than before. There's stains in there, but it's okay. Dusting, and after that it looks much better now. And the back, not done yet. Half clean. Half clean now. Not perfect though, but at least it looks much better. I really like this car because there's lots of room, like just not including the driver, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6? I got me.
6 people, but if there's kids, look, it's dripping. If there's kids, there is a car seat in here, and there is car seat in here 2, and then there's car seat 4 only. 4 if there's car seats, like 3 kids and then an adult. 2 adults, so 3, 4, 5, 6 including the driver. So that's all. Kapoy maghinlog sakyanan. Wa pa ko na nagtrabaho sa Philippines. Imposible jud kog makasurvive ko diri kuan ba? Apa isa ka sakyanan diri hinluanan. SUV. Ay, nako po. Look at that inside. Grabe kahugaw.
Mine, how about we clean the CRV too?
Oh no. We're gonna rest. Congratulations to me. It's been over a year that I didn't clean this van, and I only use this SUV that needs to clean too. So right now I'm gonna use this one because it's clean. I hope you guys have a good day, and today I'm going to the store to pick up my order online. It's time for me to go out for my me time because I stayed in the house for many days. It's nice to refresh, and you didn't do nothing, like you're not working outside and you didn't have any hobby. You will feel bored and lonely, but if you are busy, then it will be fine. You have lots of stuff in your hand, so that's a good thing though. It's a good thing that I have lots of hobby. Sewing, one of the thing, but I hope for sewing for a little bit because I'm like into YouTube this time. YouTube and other things that I do. Reselling and doing stuff in the house and gardening. Okay.
A few moments later.
Pick up my orders. Okay. Now I got planters and flower pots. This one, I ordered this online for the first time for $5 each. It's not really that bad because mostly planter is expensive, and this is perfect for indoor plants like flowers or something. And this one's supposed to be it's $15 a piece, but I only got this for $5 each. And the stake, I suppose not buy this, but I need this for my plant, for my vines. It's 50 cents a piece. Supposed to be it's more, over $3, I think, less than $4. And then this funny thing is this flower pot supposed to be it's less than $10 a piece, but I see it online, they have on sale for $2, and I went to yeah, pretty soon. He's calling me. He's done. It's morning time here. I didn't check this last. Okay. He's done cooking our breakfast, so he's calling me. And this flower pot, look, it's pretty nice. This one is $1, and the rest is $2 a piece. And I have quite a few. And there's already a saucer that's removable. You can remove it, and that's how it looks for $1 flower pot, and the rest is $2. See, this is for me and my friend that loves plant. So this this planter is for my friend. That's all for right now. Oh, I mean, for the last Friday that I pick up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.